Good morning! Happy golden anniversary to our College of Human Ecology. God has always shown His ways to us. Thank you, Lord, for being good to the College of Human Ecology all these 50 years. A blessed celebration day to all. I am Joe Eusebio, the third Dean of the College of Human Ecology. I served as a Human Nutrition faculty in UPLB for 43 years, from 1957 to the year 2000, and retired as a full professor at the age of 65 years. In 1974, in the midst of my career in the Department of Home Technology, I was appointed as the secretary of a special UPLB committee to selected faculty members headed by Dr. Hirsa Gigit of CERCA to create a new discipline called Human Ecology in UPLB in order to expand the Department of Home Technology from its limited scope in teaching, research, and extension, focused mainly on the home and family, towards challenges with greater relevance and vision mission of human development within its total and wider environment. And thus, the Institute of Human Ecology, called IHE or Humane, with 5 operational areas, each headed by a team leader, was established upon approval of the University Board of Regents. The Department of Home Technology was discontinued. A new curriculum in Human Ecology at the bachelor's level with 3 major fields of specialization was also approved. At the same time, the existing BS Nutrition, MS Applied Nutrition, Master Professional Studies Food and Nutrition Planning continued. Then, the PhD program in nutrition was eventually offered.